trying to be a trap nigga. Now I got me some floor seeds at the game, trying to go bat nigga. Got me feeling like Spike Lee on the wood, smoking on pat nigga. Drunk texting my wifey, so I know I'll get a text back nigga. 45 on my white tee, used to have this shit up on the dash nigga. Got a lot on my psyche, on my mind, I ain't talking hats nigga. Like I said on that Syfy, when I train I tend to overlap niggas. Heard them niggas wanna fight me, we grown, I don't really scrap nigga. Do a lot of forgetting to pray, like what do I say, I know what I want when I get it today, but I've been afraid, that maybe I won't, I'm no longer afraid, I do what I have to. They sending me shots that I never react to. You mad that I passed you? Them hoes gon' need me. Get them out my face, cut them out my BBs, shine brighter than space. Coming down like sweetie, why you always hate? She know it's me, she never could replace. I used to be 14 in the crib, trying to be a trap nigga. Now I got me some floor seeds in the game, trying to go bat nigga. Got me feeling like Spike Lee on the wood, smoking on pat nigga. Drunk texting my wifey, so I know I'll get a text back nigga. 45 on my white tee, used to have this shit up on the dash nigga. Got a lot on my psyche, on my mind, I ain't talking hats nigga. Like I said on that Syfy, when I train I tend to overlap niggas. Heard them niggas wanna fight me, we grown, scrap nigga. So complex and I feel so congested. We love, no protection. Your love, so contested. Love is so complex and I feel so congested. We love, no protection. Your love, so contested.
Like they want it so, oh my god. Tattoos on my wrist might just get fucked a car. Man say, she just want from me for name's sake. I keep some thoughts on me in case. Record some shit, send it to Sensei. What a friend say. And say, she just want from me for name's sake. I keep some thoughts on me in case. Record some shit, send it to Sensei. What a friend say. Oh, what they say. Yeah, I got a lot of voices in my head. I don't like to talk a lot, the conversation dead. I don't like to text a lot, I'll probably leave it red. She just want the clout, don't know my name, like what is that shit? Baby say she love me, only love me in the mattress. I just need to stay up on my grind and it's a fact shit. RP to X and same to Juice and same to Max shit. Lost of inspiration, passed away, this shit is tragic. That shit made me focus, put the city on my back shit. I just feel like neath I dip away, I do the backflip. I just told him hold up for a second, I'll be back bitch. Everybody talk a lot of shit but never fact shit. Getting seasick from the waves, all the traction. When they see this, they go crazy, a fact that I don't know how I fucking did it, but I have it. Yeah, Gucci, Louis, me and Ego got up in this bitch, it's like a movie, Young Mox is up in this bitch, I had to do it, you don't wanna fuck with me, you losing, yeah, namesake. She just won't fuck me for namesake. Record some shit, send it to Sensei, yeah. Don't give a fuck what a friend say, what a friend say, yeah.
Just every time I go to bed, don't know if I'm gonna wake up. I just popped another one, my girl, she got the same stuff. I can't even lie to you, my girl, she bad and dangerous. I can't even lie to you, she look good with no makeup. Every time I go to bed, don't know if I'm gonna wake up. I just popped another one, my girl, she got the same stuff. I can't even lie to you, my girl, she bad and dangerous. I can't even lie to you, she look good with no makeup. Sipping at the bottle, I'll be dead by tomorrow. She got me tied up in her red Monte Carlo. I'm off for the pilly, she up for the drink. She up for the millies, I'm offering babe. Bad and dangerous, fuck yourself, you can't hang with us. Need the funds, need the wealth, need the paper cuts. I'm doing fine, really on my wrist, waste the time. Cause every time I go to bed, don't know if I'll wake up. I just bought another one, my girl, she on the same stuff. I can't even lie to you, she bad and dangerous.